Here's Cold Steel Tactical Wakizashi Machete. Try and say that 3 times fast. I think what that means is this is the Wakizashi length, so it's not katana length. This is 18 inches. It's 1055 stamped carbon steel, so it's not some sort of forged blade or anything cool like that. And it has this molded plastic handle. This came fully sharpened with a giant burr on one side. I went ahead and resharpened it. I used 280 grit to start, formed a burr with that. And then I used 600 grit to put some more polish on it, and then deburred as I normally do with very fine Scotch-Brite, followed by smooth leather with heavy-handed's custom compound. Green or white compound would work just fine. Just happened to be using the heavy-handed compound that day. I think you can see I have convexed this somewhat on purpose. Not super convex, but definitely a convex edge like a traditional sword would have. It shaves hair. Let's see how it does on the best tester. 200. If you recall, between 150 and 200 is about the same as a brand new utility razor blade from the hardware store. And high-end cutlery starts at something like 250 to 350, something like that. So this thing's quite sharp. Let's move on and do another couple of tests. Seems pretty sharp to me. Thanks for watching.